Leo, are you ready?
Almost.
Did you pack everything?
Yes, I packed my teddy bear.
Great! Let's visit Grandma.
Everyone is ready?
Yes, let's go.
I'm so excited.
We're going to Grandma's house.
I can't wait. Look, the cows.
They're eating grass.
The countryside is beautiful.
I love the fresh air.
So do I. Welcome home!
Grandma,
We missed you.
I missed you too.
It's wonderful to be here.
You've grown so much.
Really? You look so handsome.
He's getting taller.
We're very happy to be here.
Wow, there are chickens.
Yes, they give us fresh eggs.
The garden is beautiful.
Look, I think there's a fish pond over there.
Let's go take a closer look.
Look at this pond.
Wow, there are fish.
Yes, there are many. Maybe we should go fishing.
Really? Can I come? Dad, can I go with you?
Of course.
I've never caught a fish.
Today is a good day to learn. Have fun together. Watch carefully.
I'm watching.
Fishing needs patience.
I'll do my best.
Let's catch a big fish today. Nice and easy.
Like this? Perfect. I hope a fish comes soon.
Now we wait.
Nothing yet.
Fishing takes time.
I'm trying to be patient.
You're doing great. Good things come to those who wait.
Maybe there aren't any fish.
Don't give up.
I'll keep trying.
The best catch often comes later.
I believe you. Dad, look!
I see it.
Something is moving.
Stay calm. Don't pull yet. Pull slowly.
It's so heavy.
You're doing great.
I think it's a big fish.
Keep going.
We did it.
Great job.
It's huge.
You caught your first fish. I'm so proud of you.
What a wonderful catch. This is my first fish.
You did an amazing job. This is a day to remember.
I'm so proud of you.
I can't wait to show everyone.
They'll be surprised.
Tonight's dinner will be special. We'll cook it together.
Let's go home.
This fish looks wonderful. Let's cook a delicious dinner.
I can't wait to taste it.
It will be our special meal. Everyone worked together today.
This fish is very fresh. It will taste delicious.
I helped catch it.
Yes, you did. I'm proud of you.
Dinner is ready.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Let's eat together.
Enjoy your meal.
Bon appetit.
This fish is so delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
You caught it yourself.
That makes it even better. This is a perfect dinner.
You were very patient today.
Dad taught me well.
You learned quickly.
We had a wonderful day. Let's make more memories together.
Today was the best day.
I had fun too.
Family time is precious. Come back soon.
Our home is always open.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Come back anytime.
We had a wonderful weekend.
We'll see you again soon.
Goodbye.